Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update Windows on HONOR MagicBook. To do it, you need to go to the Start button and go to the Settings. Now go to Windows Update. And here you may need to click on Check for updates, but they have already been found in my case, so I can just click on Download and Install All. Now I'll need to wait until everything downloads, then installs, and some updates will prompt me to restart my laptop, but I'll wait until everything is installed because I don't want to restart multiple times. And you can also later go to the Advanced Options, Optional Updates, and here you can find some optional updates that you can install if some things don't work with the mandatory updates which are here. So I'll get back to you when everything gets installed. And now the updates were installed. I see that none of them require a restart, although I still recommend restarting your laptop just to make sure everything is applied. So I'm just gonna click on the Start button, then Power, and click on Restart. Now we just need to wait a moment. In case the restart is required by an update, it'll take a little bit longer than usual to restart it because it has to apply it in the meantime. But in this case, it just restarts pretty quickly, and after that, it's all applied. If you want, you can go back to the settings and recheck if there are any new updates. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.